So, good evening, people of the world. So, here we have a Panasonic compressor with a model of QB86. So, it's belong to QB family, QB86. And according to the spec of this compressor, it's a 1/3 horsepower. It's too heavy, man. So here, compressor Panasonic QB86 single phase 220. So here they have put a sticker, compressor sold without warranty, test before soldering. So you must. And here they have rubber pad and cover and relay, current relay overload protector, OLP. So the seller has made a waiver form, so you must read before you buy. So it's written in Filipino. So if I translate this in English, maybe it's gone too far. Just try it. So according to this waiver, so by the signature of yours, you are accepting the compressor that you have bought is in good working condition, have a good ampere, bomba means pumping, have clean oil. So below in this, the compressor may damage if undersized or oversized or not the same as the original that installed in the unit before. Not qualified technician who installed and not what and not following the true process of installation, system reprocess. Most of all, dirty system. So you must flush the system. Below in this, you may return this compressor if you fulfilled or attain the compressor if you fulfilled the followings. You have original receipt or official receipt. There's no any sign of bracing or soldering or tamper in a tube. You have a clean oil not burn. There is no scratch, crack, or any physical alteration in the compressor that you have bought by. So that's all. So you must read first before you buy. So luckily the seller is fine. They test this one right in front of me before they gave it to me, and it's all functioning. So we just try again if running and check for the pumping. So we will use the overload and a relay. So just put in a clip, just line and neutral, or line 1, line 2. Then put it in a terminal. And we have to plug it in. Boom! So it's running already. That's all. We have to install this one tomorrow morning to freezer. So thank you.